Brexit, frequent policy changes, social trends. Why worry about things which are not in your control? Are you a business based in the UK? Do you struggle to maintain immigration records for Home Office visits? Are you juggling multiple applications for different HR tasks? Or are you stressed with paperwork that's time-consuming? If yes, then we offer just the right solution for you. Complygate, the HR software with brains that can be customised to suit your organisation's HR needs. Complygate helps streamline processes towards a modern workplace, reduce complexity in admin jobs through automation and user-friendly workflows, manage Tier 2 sponsor obligations for immigration compliance, create unified communication in the end-to-end HR cycle, and much more. Complygate is a cloud-based solution coupled with artificial intelligence, offering multiple features on one platform. Complygate is all this and affordable regardless of your business size. Visit www.complygate.co.uk and register today to make smarter decisions for sharper businesses. Call us on +44 121 655 0311 or email info@complygate.co.uk for a demo.